Jersey number 5. No good. Jersey number 7. 14 sets to shoot. No good. Jersey number 14. 10 sets to shoot. Steal. Jersey number 14. No good. 14 to shoot. Jersey number 3, once with jersey number 17. No good. Stable position. Shot down 15. 15 to shoot. Remain time, 5 minutes. No good. Shot clock 13. And the shoot. No good. Same ball position. 14 to shoot. And the shoot. No good. Reserve points. Fourteen sets to shoot. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 23. Russo. Jersey number 12, 2 points. Jersey number 23. 14 sets to shoot. Los Angeles number 40. 10. Remain side, 2 minutes. 5. Jersey number 14. Back 3 points. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 7. No good. Ball jersey number 14. Ball jersey number 7. No good. Seconds to play. 11 points. 15 seconds. 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. Wala. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. 5. That 3 points. 11 against 12. No good. Boundaries number 5. 14 sets to shoot. No good. Boundaries number 23. Boundaries number 5. No good. Jersey number 13. There's a foul. 5, your personal foul, first team foul. First move on that 1 point. Jersey number 5. Lusco. Sets to shoot. Jersey number 14, no good. Jersey number 7. Set to 3. That's 3-1. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 6. No good. 14 sets to shoot. 9 points. Jersey number 7. 14 seconds left. Steal. Steal 23. Master Jersey number 3. 9 points. Movement time, 5 minutes for the second quarter. Jersey number 14, Master number 6, 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Jersey number 7, no good. Jersey number 14. No good. Jersey number 13. 14 seconds left. Jersey number 6. No good. Time up. 6. Pass to jersey number 13. Good. 14 sets to shoot. 16. Jersey number 7. Shot clock 14. 14 to shoot. That 2 points. Jersey number 6. 14 seconds to shoot. There's a foul. Jersey number 14. Your first personal foul, third penalty. Here's number 7. 14 seconds to shoot. Very good. Back to the right. Jersey number 6. No good. There's a foul. Foul jersey number 12. You are first personal foul. First team foul. No good. There's a foul. Your first personal foul, second team foul. Virgil Winek, 1 point. Time, 2 minutes for the second quarter. Jersey number 17. Steal with jersey number 14. Your second personal foul, 13 foul. 14 shot clock. Jersey number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 3. No good. Back to number 3. There's a foul. Your first personal foul, 13 foul. Remaining time, exactly 1 minute for the second quarter. That 1 1. Seconds to play. Basket count for jersey number 5. You have third personal foul. Warning for team penalty. Remaining time 15 seconds for the second quarter. And then 1 point. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 14. Okay. 40 seconds. There's a foul. Jersey number 18. Your first personal foul, team penalty. seconds, 30. Resume and 1 point. Red side, 23 seconds. 23. Pursue connect 1 point. 20 seconds. 15. Still. 11 points. 10 seconds. 5. 9 for the second quarter. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 13. That's 3 points. Fourteen says the shoot. Jersey number 7. 10 says the shoot. 5. Back 2 points. Jersey number 13. 14 says to shoot. Passengers number 6. No good. Jersey number 7. Loose one. Jersey number 13. Pass to 14. To jersey number 6. So good. Bounders number 3. Jersey number 13. No good. Easy basket. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. 14 set to shoot. Loose one. Jersey number 13. 48 seconds to shoot. Same ball position. Remaining time 5 minutes. Same ball position. 13 to shoot. Shot clock 13. Time to shoot. Oh, good. Jersey number 7. No good. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 6 connect 2 points. Jersey number 23. 14 seconds to shoot. High up. Remaining time 4 minutes.